Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got a practical Git tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Imagine you are on a DevOps team and your developers just reported that their latest commit messed things up. What is your job here? Revert the recent change and go back to the earlier safer state. So let's break it down step by step using a real world example from our Nautilus app team. The Nautilus app team dev team was working on a Git repository present on this server. However, they reported an issue with the recent commits being pushed to this repo. They have asked the DevOps team to revert repo head to last commit. Below are more details about the ask. In Git repository, revert the latest commit to the previous commit. The previous commit should be with initial commit message. Use revert media message. Please use all small letters for commit message for the new revert commit. Let's get started. First, let's log into storage server. Okay, we have logged in. First, here is the scenario. We are working with a Git repository located at user src code cloud repos media on our storage server. The team reported problems with the last commit. We need to undo or revert this change so that we are back to where the things work perfectly, specifically to the initial commit. Let's begin. Open your terminal. Make sure you are logged into the storage server or whatever the server you have given. And the next prerequisite is to have access to the repository. cd user src code cloud repos media. This moves you into the project's Git directory. The next step is to check the commit history. Let's see the recent commits so we don't make mistakes. To check that, git log one line. Look for your latest commit at the top. Okay, copy this, paste. All right. Okay. Look for your latest commit at the top, and the one below it should have the message initial commit. That's the safe state we want. This one. The next step is to revert the latest commit. To undo just the most recent commit, use git. We are reverting, so revert head -m as the ask is use revert media message. Let's give revert media as the message. So Git doesn't actually use a -m option for a message with git revert. That's a common mistake. Instead, you should use git revert head. So if you even try this, let's see, sudo So it is saying option mainline expected number greater than 0. So this is showing some error because -m we won't use in the revert. Now what instead what we can do, sudo git revert, sorry, head, enter. So this opens a text editor for the commit message. Now I just pressed I to go into the insert mode. Instead of this message, just type revert media. I pressed escape WQ exclamatory to save and close the file. Enter. Now let's confirm the revert. Let's check our work one more time. Git log -- one line again. So if you see, the latest one is revert media. So you should see a new message at the top with a message revert media. Our repository now reflects the previous safer state, just what we wanted. Go to your repo with cd. Now check history with git log one line, then run git revert head, enter the revert media as the message and save. Right? You should double check what it is reverting. So previously the head was this. Now we have changed this initial commit as the revert. That's it. You have successfully reverted the latest commit. No more worry about the recent changes breaking your code. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick DevOps tips. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We will walk you through. See you in the next one. Thank you.